welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. I am Shukunono and today we are doing a video requested by my friend. So this is what happened, you guys. So most of the time she's always shopping, guys. So she was doing her makeup sort of shopping in a way from the Chinese. So she stumbled across what we call magnetic eyelashes. I know my friend really struggles with eyelashes. That's why maybe she saw these lashes because she thought it was gonna be easy. She actually packaged the product to me, and can you imagine who does that? So these lashes are from the Chinese. I'm not sure which one. Like, they're from the Chinese and they're called magnetic lashes, and they are 50 rands. Like for Makuleng, guys, this is expensive because we are used to buying this for 5 rands or 10 rands in a way. So these are like very expensive. That means they should be like, you know, the queen or the luxury part of the lashes in the shop. Okay, so yeah, the lashes, I'm not sure if you guys can clearly see inside. I don't know how many they are. Also, the lashes are pretty fluffy. They're like fluffy lashes, guys. So I have no idea how to wear them, cause right now, guys, they are like, let me just bring you guys closer. They're actually, so there's like a staplers going on here. That is where they are. So there's staplers going on here, and that is where they actually put the lashes. So that's where they're sticking on. The question is, how do I stick it? How do I stick them on my eyes? Because I definitely do not have stills under my eyes, guys. So I have no idea. There are no instructions, and she didn't tell me anything about them or how to actually apply them. I have no idea, guys. Cause it's actually very easy to stick them. Like, can you guys see? Like, it's even coming out. Oh, okay, I picked up other lashes, but look, like they actually, okay, they are magnetic. Like, they're like literally magnetic. Okay, they're actually sticking on top of each other. Okay, I have my mascara and eyeliner on. I think this is a trap, guys. I feel trapped. Okay, this is how the lash is looking, guys. You cannot even see it because it is super fluffy. It's more like a natural lash. I think you have to stick it in from in and out, but that means I need 2 hands. Okay. Oh, okay. Somebody help me. Okay. This is really impossible. First of all, I'm one person who really hate wearing lashes, and you know, I pretty much still struggle a little bit, but I don't know if I'm supposed to actually. Okay, let's do it like this. I think she's tricking me. Okay, let me try to apply them from inside. Okay, and then I have no idea how to wear lashes. These lashes. Okay, there's like a magnet like behind them. Doesn't mean I have to wear them from inside and outside. So you guys, let me show you. So there's a magnet somewhere here and here. I can see that. But where am I supposed to put the magnets? Am I supposed to take the staplers that are in there and put them here? I'm not sure if my friend is actually trying to squeeze my non-existing balls. Okay. I have no idea how I'm supposed to apply them. They definitely do not have instructions, unless if I try to Google on how to actually put the lashes, guys. Like, I have no idea. Like, no. Okay. So I actually picked 2. I'm gonna see if they do stick to each other. Oh, they actually do. Oh, they do. I have an idea. I think I'm supposed to put 1. Okay, I don't know. So I'm just gonna put this underneath. Okay. Definitely not a beginner friendly, guys. No, it's not beginner friendly because I am definitely a beginner right now. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to hold that Okay. How the hell am I supposed to wear these lashes? I think you're supposed to wear them in between your lashes. They should have created magnetic lashes for things to be easy. The one YouTuber that I saw had an eyeliner, so the liner itself was the magnet. So you would actually just put the eyelash on top of the magnet, which is the eyeliner that you put. Where am I supposed to do that? Am I supposed to buy the liner? Did she bring the liner? Actually, I think you're supposed to wear them in between your lashes. So I have an idea. Okay, I've been definitely saying I have an idea, but I do not. And what I'm noticing about these lashes is that they are super fragile. Like, they are super fluffy. Definitely not my style. Like, I am for gigantic lashes. If I'm going natural, they are definitely not this fluffy. So fluffy that you can actually ruin them by just holding your hand. So what I'm thinking now is I'm just gonna place this one. I am just going to place this one on top like that, and then bring the second one from. Okay, now you guys, like, as soon as I do that, they do like challenge. They do attract one another, but why am I? I swear I'm really trying my best, guys. Like, I am trying my best right now. Another thought that is coming right now is to actually put the staplers here, that they're like on top, and see what's gonna happen. Hell no! Did you really think I'll do that to myself? No, sis. Ain't gonna do that. I've done worse, but not that. Not this. Okay. So okay. Maybe let's change eyes, guys. Like, let's change eyes. You know, you probably, like, you never know. Maybe the eye is not working. It's the problem is with the eye. But why the hell am I going through this? Like, okay, let's see. This is definitely the wrong lash. So there are 4 lashes inside. That means you're supposed to stick them together. How am I supposed to do that? Okay. Okay, let's try to put this one then. Hold it. The other one is coming. Your friend is coming. Ooh! Okay. I think guys, like, I think I'm getting the concept. Again, what am I supposed to do with this white line going on right there? Can you guys see that? So the white band where they actually put what is this? Don't tell me I have a pimple coming. Oh my god, there's a pimple coming. Oh, why? My life is a mess. But anyways, can you see the white line that is going on here, guys? Like, what am I supposed to do with that? Am I supposed to apply something black so that it hides everything? Like, I have no idea. Like, I don't know what's going on. Like, there's this white line going on here, and that is the band. Definitely it's a no for me, guys. I feel like I'm just struggling. Like, I understand the concept when they are here. They have magnet, like there's like staplers here, and you know, it makes sense. Anyways, I know a simple way to actually glue my lashes. Like, guys, I don't know, but just using glue right here, and I'm just gonna use the glue, draw a bend. I am not even gonna be detailed about this, the way I apply lashes, because I want you guys to please go and watch how I actually apply my lashes. So, you know, I change of plans. I'm thinking of sticking the lashes on my eye with the glue on. That's it. I don't understand the concept of magnet if there is glue on. I mean, you've got glue on, okay? Obviously the lash is gonna stick to the glue because we are gluing them on, although like this is not nice at all. Like, sis, what the hell's going on? Like, my thoughts on my Girl, magnetic eyelash professional makeup lashes. Oh my goodness. Ooh, girl, when you get to the stores and you happen to see something like this, you know what you should do? You just keep on walking. Keep on walking. If you need to go back to the door, you can just go back to the door and find your way out, and make sure you never look back, because this ain't it at all, like, guys, unless if there's a way to actually apply this, because wow, I have failed. I don't think there's actually any possible way except for if you've got like steel or aluminum. Does it even stick to aluminum? I don't know. Something to stick on, okay? I don't know the concept. Like, I have no idea what is it that they were thinking here, unless if next to these lashes there's actually the glue that you're supposed to, you know, apply and then they glue on. I have no idea, guys. Like, I am trying to find possible ways to actually do this, but nope. So anyways, thank you so much, friend, for actually courting this product to me from miles away. Like, so much effort for you, and you know, thank you so much. But my final thoughts is that they're super expensive for where they are coming from. Like, guys, 50 rand is expensive for the Chinese. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I'm not even gonna brush it off. Like, 50 rand is super expensive for fluffy lashes, for lashes that are not even strong. Like, why can't you just add 10 rands and go to your likes of this cam and buy Eyelo, or go to Clicks and buy the Kiss eyelashes? And there's this other brand that I saw was really beautiful. I just forgot the name. Like, you can just literally add 10 rand or 20 rand and get yourself lashes that you can wear 11 times or 10 times or more than, let me say, more than once. Like, you understand? That is, I don't see any logic. I don't see you winning with this. Anyways, thank you for the packaging though. That bling, girl, the packaging is really nice. I think I'm just gonna put my lashes in here so that, you know, they kept safe and stuff. But yeah, like, to show that I really don't hate you guys, you know, if you've been on my channel, you know that the lashes that I wear are from the Chinese. The eye pencil that I use is from the Chinese. I remember recommending this pencil over the Fair Beauty pencil. I mean, I'm a cheapskate. Like, so anyways, that is actually it, this video and my bling, girl, lashes. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.